Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can change Epic Games email without verification. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up any type of preferred browser on your PC. Just search for Epic Games. Open up the first site and simply log in with your account. After logging in, you will be redirected to the homepage of Epic Games account. Now just edit the URL in the URL bar to text I'm typing in. Just type in help and after the slash and give it a go. You'll be redirected to the help center of Epic Games where you can get answers to your queries and stuff. To change your email address, just scroll down a little bit and select Epic Games Store. Now just scroll down, click on Contact Us, and a page will open up with the form. Your name and email address will be pre-written. Just after that, just select the platform and describe your problem in the description, just like so. And after writing the description, click on Submit an email request and wait for a couple of days to get a response from them. And that's how you can change your Epic Games email address without any verification. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.